In this video, we are going to look at how we can have our internet speed display on the status bar in Windows 11. So to get started, I have dropped for you a link in the description where we download the application to use. So once you click on that link in the description, you land on this page. You can also copy the link there as you see it here. So when you have landed on this GitHub page, don't mind about all these. These are for developers. Then all we need now is come to this right side where you see releases. Then here you see that our latest release as the time when I recorded this video is version 1.83. All you need to do is click on it, and then we scroll down. Don't mind about these Chinese words. Then the artist on the assets section, click on traffic monitor, this 64-bit version, then to be downloaded. So once it has downloaded, on your downloads tab, you can show it in the folder. All you need to do now is to extract it. Just extract it with the archive manager of your own. You're going to use this Windows 11 built-in extractor and choose the location where you want to extract the files and extract. So once you have finished extracting, just open the folder that has been extracted. Continue to this traffic monitor folder, and all you need to do now is to run this traffic monitor executable file. So let's run it, and make sure before you do this you are on an account that has administrator privileges. When you get this dialog that smart screen cannot be reached right now, don't mind about it, just click on run and click yes, and the traffic monitor has started. And now, as I told you in the first, we want to show this traffic on the status bar, but you are seeing this as a floating icon. This is another option. So if you want to view the traffic on the status bar, just click here on the hidden icons, then right click on this traffic monitor icon. What you're going to do now, we have this show main window and show taskbar window. So what you're going to do now, click on the show taskbar window, and then this internet speed will begin showing on your taskbar as you see here. We are going to do more customizations. As you can see, this doesn't look good, so click here again, right click on the icon, and we hide the main window. Another thing, now let's go back and go to options. Since you know we are not dealing with the main window settings, but if you prefer to do with the main window setting, the floating display, you could change on these settings to your preference. But now we are going to go to the taskbar window settings, then we scroll down. As I don't have enough space on my taskbar here, but I could have more space on the right if I change the resolution of my display. Okay, let me just change it. You can see that the internet speed shows very well on the resolution of my display, but I just increased it in order to be able to record the video very well. So let me switch back to the original display, the one we are using for the video. Then we continue with the customization. So once you have the internet speed ready, now you can shift the window to the right or to the left, or change colors. If I say taskbar window appears to the left of the taskbar, we can have it appear to the left of the taskbar if I click the apply here. As you see on this side, we could also change the background color to maybe blue, click OK, and then text color to maybe red. Okay, and apply. Okay, now if I could remove some icons from the taskbar and have more space, then we could have this internet speed showing on very well. But I hope you have got the main context of the video, and therefore I'm going to end from here. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.